3, beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time, and we're back for another 5-minute practice exercise. It's good to be back. Today we are going to work on rhythm. So I have a really fun, almost a game that you can play to help strengthen your rhythm. First, we're going to strengthen it just with your body, and then we're going to move it to your ukulele or another instrument. If you play another instrument, cool. So first to start, what is our magic number in music? Our magic number in music is 4. So a lot of things are grouped in 4s, a lot of pop music, traditional music, folk music, blues. We count in 4. That's our heartbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the more you feel grounded with this rhythm, with this beat, the more you understand what's going on. It's going to help you know, what beat am I playing my chords on? Where does this strumming pattern fit in over a count of 4, over one measure? By the way, if you're a visual learner like me, there is a PDF practice exercise worksheet that is linked below. It is available to my patrons over on Patreon. So first, we're going to clap. All right, we're going to clap all 4 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't rush. See if you can do it exactly with me. And I want you to say it out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. Now, what if we just played on beat 1 and we felt the other beats, but we're only going to clap on beat 1? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add beat 3. So now we're clapping on beats 1 and beat 3. 2 and 4, we're going to rest. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. That was our warm-up. Now we're actually going to try it out with a song. And I actually don't even need to be holding this right now. I'm going to put it in my nice little holder up there. We're going to try it out with a song. And you can do this with any pop song. So this is a really fun game you can play, or challenge, and a good way to strengthen neural pathways in your brain because you are learning the language of music. Okay, so I'm going to play a song here. I'm going to put it into practice. A little faster. Here's our beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, beat 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's add beat 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. All right, stop. Keep that beat going. Can you find beat 2? So that count should be going in your head now. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 1, 2. Let's add beat 4. So 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just do beat 4. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Fun. You're like almost almost dancing. That's kind of nice. All right, let's move it to our instrument now. So Rockin' Robin, we're in the key of G. So we're just going to play a G chord. All right, it's going to fit over the A sections or the little verse. It won't fit the whole time, but that's okay. We're just practicing our rhythm today. We're moving it to our instrument. We're going to start off just playing beat 1. Okay, so find your beat. Can you count it? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's do beats 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Stop. Let's do beats 2 and 4 now. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll stop there. Ooh, so you get the idea. So it is, to conclude, it is so powerful to know which beat is happening when. So first of all, you just know where you are in the song. You're able to count. It's going to help you know how long do I hold a chord when I'm learning a song. And then it's also going to help you know when am I playing the chord. So, okay, maybe this chord happens on beat 1 and it changes chords on beat 3. So I would play one chord, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knowing how it all fits together is going to help you be a stronger musician. It's going to help you speak the language of music. It's going to help you build that strong foundation of rhythm. All right, I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute practice exercise, and I will see you soon. Cheers! Ukulele wine time.